Welcome guys, welcome to another session. Today we are going to do linear equations in one variable for class 8. Shall we begin? Please tell me in the chat. Shall we begin with this? So revision game is this. Today we are going to do revision game and this game is also very strong. Okay. So linear equation in one variable. Let me change the color because it is not being good. Okay, is this? Okay. Algebraic expression, any expression you can take, and any expression you can take, it has two things. First of all, he has two parts. Main two parts are that these two parts are variable and constant. Variable and constant. Now some not important part, not that much important, but little bit, like are the operations plus minus etc. So involving these three things, a body is formed that is called a algebraic expression. Let me example, let me take you, let me go to this black screen. Okay, here you will understand. Like 2x plus 3. Let me unblock it. Okay. Okay. Let me tell you. Huh. 2x plus 3. In this 3 is nothing. This 2 is a coefficient. This, like example, you can take 7n plus 2. 7n or 2. These are the terms. What are these? These 7n plus 2 in this 7n or 2. These both are terms. 7n, in 7n, 7 is your coefficient. What is 7? 7 is your coefficient and n is your variable, and the plus in between is the operation you are taking, and 2 is the constant. What is 2? It is the constant in there. Understand? Now some important point that you need to remember. First of all, let me know a variable, it is an unknown number and generally it is dependent by letters. A variable is always an unknown number. Always an unknown number. We don't know what the variable number. It is unknown, and it is represented by x, y, z, a, etc. by letters only, not by numbers. Any number which has no variable is called constant. Any number you can take 1. In this he has no variable, means it is not 1x, 1a, nothing. So 1 here, 1 is only there, so it means it is a constant. A number which is followed by a variable is called constant of that variable. See here, like for example 1x, I said a number who has variable, means in this 1x, the variable is the x, but what is 1 in this? The 1 is the coefficient of that variable, means 1 is the coefficient of x. What is a term? A term is a number of variable. It is a term. 1 is a term. In this 1x is a term. So a term is a number or any variable you can see. Okay. What is equation? Equation, it is a statement that says that two expressions are equal, is called equation. A statement that says that 1x plus 2x, these two expressions are equal, that is called equation. Now we know equation, but now we have come in the 8th class, linear equation in one variable. So what is linear equation? A linear expression, it is an expression whose highest power of the variable is 1 only. Means whose highest power, means x की highest power क्या है इसमें? 0. वही 1x, इसमें linear equation में हमेशा पावर जो होगी 1 ही हो. एग्जाम्पल ले लो 2x plus 5, 3y etc. Linear equation, if there is only one variable in the equation, that is called linear equation 1. अगर पूरे इक्वेशन में 1x plus 2x plus 3x. See, there are one variable in each term. So this is called linear equation in one variable that you are going to do in this, and you will now learn how to solve these equations. Okay, the important thing, very important thing you can take, there is an equality sign in the linear equation. There is always an equality sign in the equation. The expression on the left half of the equal sign is called the LHS, and the expression on the right hand of the equal sign is called the RHS. You have learned in the 7th LHS is equals to RHS. Now in this module, in this chapter, you will be learning that LHS will be always equal to RHS. How? Let me tell you this thing. Left LHS means left hand sign, like x plus a is equals to x plus 4a is equals to 8. Which is in this x plus 4 is the LHS, left hand side, means that is a left hand side equation, and RHS, right hand side, means 8 is the right hand side equation in this equation. Important thing, no, in this linear equation that LHS will be equal to, always be equal to RHS, because this happens for some values only, and these values are the solution of the liquid. Any equation you can take, any equation in this chapter you can take, they will be LHS in that the left hand side x plus 4a in this, and the RHS 8 will be equal. If you solve these equation, it will be equal, and the solution you will get, the value you will get, will be the solution of the linear equation. Now, first of all, there are two methods to solve these linear equations. First is balancing method, second is transpose. I will always prefer transposing method because it is easy and very easy. In this matter, we have to add or subtract with the same number on both the sides without disturbing a balance to find a solution. Like for example, you have to take x plus 4a, that one I want to take, is equals to 8. In this balancing method, now you have to balance that, means just take it x plus 4x, you will take 5x is equals to 8, so 10 you can take 10. X plus 4x is equals to 10, so that x plus 4x will be 5x, and 5x is equals to 10. Now you have to multiply 5 on both the sides. Here it will be also multiplied, here it will be multiplied. So this method is some more confusing. I will prefer to go with transposing method, very easy method. In this method, we need to transfer the constant of value from one side to another until we get the solution. When we transfer term, sign will get changed. Example, you can take plus will become, if you transfer it here plus, it will become minus. If minus is there, it will become plus. Here multiply is there, you will transport, you will become divide. Here divide is there, you will transport, it will become multiply. Note these formulas, very important. Now I will give example of each one. First of all, plus 1. Let me go to black screen and change the color of the pen, should be red. First one, plus will become minus. X plus 4x is equals to 10. This question we have taken. X plus 4x will be equal to 5x. This will be equal to 1x. 4 plus 1, 5. X will be same, is equals to 10. Now here it is multiplying, here it is single number. So if we will transport is x will become to 10, and it will be transferred and become 5. Divided by 5 ones are 5, 5 to the 10. Very simple. We get the solution. X is equals to 2. Nothing you have to do. Okay, very simple. I will prefer this method to you very okay. So guys, we have today learned some methods. There are two methods, balancing one. Okay, that was all for today. Bye bye, good day. Don't forget to subscribe channel. Tata, bye bye, see you in the next session.